today we're going to have a look at removing the rear door card. Now I've already done a video for the front door card. George will do the little pointy thing up there, is it?
Yeah.
There you go. So if you're doing the front door card, take a look at that link. But I thought I hadn't done the rear door card. Why would you take your rear door card off? Upgrade your speakers, have a look what speakers you got. Your central locking's not working, the electric window's not working. Various reasons. Change your door trim. Right, so let's get on with it. No further ado. Right, so there are some hidden screws. There's one hidden under there. We'll have a look in more detail. I'll just give you the executive summary. There's one hidden under there. There's one hidden under there. And then you pull it off. So we're not too hard. If you're smart, that's enough. You'll be off. Right, let's have a go. Right, what tools are we going to need? Torx T27 driver. T27. Phillips crosshead screwdriver. Trim tool and a little sort of pick or a little screwdriver. Right, here we go. Where shall we start? Spoiled for choice. Right, let's get these little plastic trims off. Now it's going to be a bit hard, the lighting's not perfect, I'm not in my workshop at the moment. There's a little circular plastic disc in the back of this handle. Can you see that, George?
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you get a little screwdriver in, now last time I did this, it's pinged and I'm at home on the gravel floor and it took me ages, so you might want to put one hand on it to try and... Oh, where's he gone? He's pinged off. Where did he go?
It went like in there.
It went in there, didn't it?
I got it.
Oh, you got it. Go on. That's it. So it's just a little plastic cap. And he's got two little tiny little... So let's put him somewhere safe. Well done, George. Right. Put him safe. Right. Okay. Now that's not the last of the hidden caps. You're going to have to get down a bit lower, George. The next one is hidden in here. So there's a little plastic panel here. And you probably can't see it, but you'll see it when I take it out, so don't stress. Right, here we go. Oh, he's fighting me a little bit. Let me use a trim tool on that one. See if I can get in with a trim tool. There we go. Right, let's have a look what this is all about. I'll keep it in the same orientation it was in. So it was in that orientation. And if you have a look on the back, it's got this little spring clip here and these two little bits here. And that simply pops in, pops out like that. Right, we've got another one of those to go. Now this one you've got even less chance of seeing. I had to get the torch out to see it. But basically it's in the same place in this corner here. Right.
That's going to be hard.
That's going to be hard. Let's swap places. That's going to help there. Right, so it's right in this corner. But again, if you just, where the leather stops and it goes to plastic, if you can get something in behind there, you'll be doing quite well. I'll practice this so I'd look good. But as ever, it's not. Oh, there we go. Right, so that's the orientation it's in. So you can see you've got a little plastic insert there. And again, it's just got some popper clips. So as soon as you can see the edge, you're in, alright, okay, and that there. Right, if you look in there now, you'll see that exposes a bolt there. Can you see that bolt there, George, on the camera?
Not really. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we got a Torx T27 there. Alright, and I'm going to get that one out. Now, he might stay in there. He'll fall out in a minute, probably. Right, now let's swap places again, George. And you can see the other one under there. Oh gosh, phone going off though. We haven't had that for a while. Right then. So let's have a look there. That one I might be able to get out. Because otherwise I'm going to be picking them up off the gravel floor, which is never fun. Wait, he's nearly there, isn't he? There he is. Oh, he's sort of landed in there. Alright, we'll get him later. Right. Now, okay, so that's all the bolts undone now. Yes. Now, on the front door, there was a fixing here, but on the rear door, there is no side fixing. So now we're on to the poppers. So I'm going to grab the lever tool. I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to put my knee against the door. You don't want to do it on that bit, because that's the trim. You want to do it on the metal. I'm going to see if you can get in behind it, and then give it a bit of a pop. Alright, and then work it up. Let's have a look. Is it good? It's catching on something. Is that? Yeah, those screws are out fully. I think it's just the next couple of poppers. I remember, there, I've forgotten one. That one there, we took the thing off, I forgot to undo it. There's a crosshead screwdriver there. Right, you on it, George? Yeah. Alright, okay. Again, that screw should come out or we'll be getting it off the floor otherwise. There he is, okay. Just have a look at him. Right, okay, let's put that to the right, let's keep going. So we had the bottom one. There we go, that's better. Now there is a popper about here that you might want to just get off there. So you should then flap about. Now one thing I didn't tell you at the start of the video, open your window. So there you go. So open your window, because what it means is for this next bit, it's a bit easier. So there are some clips going from this fabric into this window trim. And what you want to do is pull it a little bit at this side. In fact, if you go around the other side now, George, you just spin around there. You got that? And then you can see what I'm doing here a bit better. So I want to get that in there. Oh! There you go. And it's come off, but hold on, no, stay around there, George, stay around there. Right, so when I first did it, I had to work them one at a time. So you want to look where the clips are, you want to get in. Now obviously when I've had it off the second time, he's a bit more lively. Okay, so you can see where those clips, can you see from that side, George, the slots in there? Where those metal clips locate into. Right, now what you've got to do is release the door catch. So let's see. So here, you've got this, and when you pull the door catch inside, it moves like so. But if you move it out, and then you can slide this little barrel up. There we go, like so. Alright, and then we've got some connectors to undo. So this one here, you've got a little bit you've got to press in here. That looking good on the camera, George?
Yeah.
And then you can slot that one out. And then if you rotate the door card, whoop, you can then see down here we've got this blue one. And then again, it's got a little press tab on the top. Press that tab on the top. We can then slide that blue one out. And that's the door card removed. If you come around this side, then everyone can see what we've got on the inside. Right. So you see you've got your speaker here. So if you upgrade your speakers, you might look at replacing this. There's a control box here for the, and then your locking actuator is up in this corner here. There's some bolts you'll need to undo. But that's all we're going to do for that video. So good luck with that.